Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to repot a sad Monstera adansonii or monkey mask, and I'm going to make a moss ball for it. If you're already excited, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For making your own moss ball you need a dried branch, rope and moss. Get ready to use the rope. Measure how deep the stick will go inside the pot and leave your fingers there. Knot the rope on the part that starts above the soil in the pot. Get some moss and start a little bit above the knot of the rope. Turn the rope tightly around the moss and the stick. Continue doing this until your whole stick is full with tightly wounded moss. Go down with the rope until you are back at the start again. Make another knot with the rope. Cut off if you have too much rope. Now we can start to repot this Monstera. Get the Monstera out of the pot and untangle the roots. Get all the soil, which in this case was very bad, from the roots. Do this carefully, not to damage them. Lay the cuttings down. Put the moss ball in the pot and secure it with some potting mixture. Place the cuttings around the moss ball in the soil. I could have probably used an extra hand. Put some more soil in the pot. Cut off some strings. Secure the branches of the Monstera around the moss ball. Eventually, air roots will grow in the moss. This is the end result. The Monstera, of course, was in the beginning quite sad, and I wasn't sure if it was going to survive or not. But as you can see, it has made some new leaves, and it's growing new leaves as well. Yeah, and it's quite happy. Maybe I will repot it soon and make a bigger moss ball for it. Right now it looks quite happy, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!